demonstrate the Johnson modification bus test. The purpose of this test is to measure dynamic balance, and the equipment are smooth floor area 50 inch by 180 inch or 127 by 457 centimeters, stopwatch, tape measure, and floor tape.